Hello everybody. Today we will study about the Pros 4, the summit, which is a travelogue, an amazing account of the conquest of Mount Everest by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. They have a challenging beauty and majesty. A climb to its summit means the highest point peak, which makes one experience physical, emotional, and spiritual fulfillments. By climbing the internal summit, as the author discovers, one can get fuller knowledge of oneself. In all, the climber gets the inspiration to face life's ordeals with determination. Let us realize about the author. Sir Edmund Percival Hillary, KG Ons KBE, 20th July 1919 to 11 January 2008, was a New Zealand mountaineer, explorer, and philanthropist. On 29th May 1953, Hillary and Sherpa mountaineer Tenzing Norgay became the first climbers confirmed to have reached the summit of Mount Everest. Characters: Edmund Hillary was the first climber confirmed to have reached the summit of Mount Everest. Tenzing Norgay was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. He was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Pemba Sherpa was one of the three persons who climbed the peak. Let us know the journey of these three persons who climbed the peak. Sir Edmund Percival Hillary joined the team led by John Hunt and created history by climbing the Everest with the support of Tenzing Norgay on 29th May 1953. On 28th May 1953, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing had put up a little tent at an altitude of 27,900 feet. They started up their cooker and drank large quantities of lemon juice in addition to sardines and biscuits. Hillary scraped the ice off the oxygen sets. As his boots were wet, he cooked them over the fierce fire of Primus and managed to soften them up. They fortified their clothing with windproof onto their hands. At 6:30 a.m., they hauled their oxygen gear on their backs. Inhaling deep breaths of oxygen, they got ready to climb. Pemba was too ill to climb, so he did not accompany Tenzing and Hillary. From the altitude of 28,000 feet, the ridge narrowed to Knife Ridge. Hillary's feet were now warm, so he took the lead. The snow was dangerously soft. The deep, soft snow supported Hillary's weight. After trudging several hundred feet, they reached a tiny hollow where they found two oxygen bottles left by Evans and Bourdillon after a failed mission. Hillary scraped off the ice and found that both were full and could last till they returned from ascent if they used them sparingly. Despite risky slips, they persisted and made 400 feet climb to the southern summit. Both Hillary and Tenzing reached a wide ledge. Hillary deeply felt the fierce determination that nothing could stop them from scaling the Himalayas. The climb becoming a grim struggle. It was 11:30. The ridge had taken 2.5 hours, but it seemed like a lifetime as they had to negotiate numerous ridges on the way. On reaching the peak, Tenzing and Hillary felt a great relief. To the east was their giant neighbor, Makalu, unexplored and unclimbed, far away across the clouds. The great bulk of Kanchenjunga loomed on the horizon. To the west, they could see the unexplored ranges of Nepal stretching off into the distance. The most important photograph was a shot down at the North Ridge showed the North Col and the old route. It had been made famous by the famous climbers of 1920s and 1930s. It was breathtaking view of the snow-clad peak all around. Therefore, children, through this lesson, we must learn lessons and believe that we can succeed and it is possible to achieve excellence against all odds. Thank you.